of in our life. So please bear with me and I'll give in a nutshell what I thought. அறிவை வளர்க்கின்ற ஒரு கிரகம். ஆகவே எங்களுக்கு ஆற்றல் வேண்டும். அந்த கலை வளர்ந்தோ
people to put up the houses, disabled people, school children, religious people. Always when I am contacting with him, he is positive and he is helping to us. When I was in Geneva and Manila, I observed that Manila, when I am going with my Valaris, the airport,
யாழ் பல்கலைக்கழக விவசாய பீட உபவேந்தர் டாக்டர் திருமதி செல்வச்சந்திரன் அவர்களை நன்றிகளை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு அடுத்ததாக பரிசிலை பெற்றுக்கொள்ளுமாறு நாம் அழைத்து நிற்பது விஜயல் அடுத்த பரிசலை பெற்றுக்கொள்ளுமாறு ஜேசுதாஸ் சாம்பவி ஆகியோரை மூன்றாவது
And also I would like to draw your attention as children to the great, one of the best books which has been written by Thiruvalluvar between 2nd BC, between 8 BC, I am not too sure of the year, time, but the book name is Thirukural. So that book depicts, there are 333 sections for all of us to read and to understand the greatness of that piece of book. And there are 3 sections in that book mainly. Number 1 is Aram, right conduct. Number 2 is Porul, right manner of conducting worldly affairs. 3, Inbam, that is love everyone, the teachers, those who have come to light this, bring light to this event, and I must thank profusely for being with us in this morning, in appreciating and facilitating the Day of Children today, International Children Day. And I think our fervent hope is, as I told you over and over again, our children will make the difference for our country in the future. Thank you very much.
Helped us in conducting this examination. That is a marvelous thing they did for us for education. When I was looking at these students from Kaidari Nafil School, I was little sorry to see these children because they are victims of the war. Actually, maybe the harvest I said earlier, they were blind, they were disabled, and our security forces are there to help these children.